Hello everyone, this is Sunita. Welcome to my channel Test with Sunita. In today's session, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in software testing, that is bug life cycle, also known as defect life cycle. So let's get started with the bug life cycle. So what is bug life cycle? A bug life cycle means it complete journey of a defect from the moment a tester discovers it until the moment it is closed. It explains how a bug moves through different stages inside a project. Okay, so we have different stages here. First stage is new stage. So we can also call it as new stage or log stage. So I'll explain you in a diagrammatic format. So this is the bug life cycle flow. Okay, so in the new stage, when the tester identifies a defect, they log it in a defect tracking tool like Jira, ALM, Bugzilla or Octane. So this is the first stage where the development team becomes aware of the defect. Okay, so second stage is assigned. So the test lead or project manager assigns the defect to the developer. So the developer now takes the ownership of this issue. Next, third stage is open stage. So open stage, the developer opens the bug and analyzes the root cause and then starts working on it to fix the issue. Okay, so next, fixed state. Fixed stage means after developer resolves the issue, they update the status to fixed. So this means that the defect has been corrected from the developer side. Next one is once it is fixed, then next stage is retest. So retest means the tester retests the defect in the latest build to verify whether the fix is working correctly or not. If this issue is resolved, the defect moves to the verified. If not, if the issue is still persists, the tester makes it as reopen. So here you can see one more stage pending retest. So this is before the retest phase. So once fixing is completed, then it has to go to retest. If we have any time between, then pending retest is. Okay. So next, reopen. So what is reopen state? If the issue is not fixed, if the defect is not actually fixed, the tester reopens it. The bug then moves back to the developer through assigned, open, fixed once again. So this will again go to the developer. Okay, next, stage 7, it is verified. Verified means the tester confirms that the defect has been successfully fixed and there is no further issues. Then closed. Closed means finally tester or the test lead closes the bug. This makes the end of bug life cycle. Okay, so here we have optional statuses used in real-time projects. So in real-time projects, we may also see additional defect status like rejected, duplicate, deferred or postpone, like that, not a bug, something like that. Okay, so what is rejected or invalid? So rejected means the reported issue is not a valid defect. Okay, so valid defect, not a valid defect. Then coming to duplicate, the same defect has already been reported, then it is a duplicate. And deferred and postponed means the defect is valid, but we will be fixing it in further releases. Then that is called as deferred bug or postponed. Here we have another one that is not a bug. So sometimes there is a chance of having a defects from the tester which are not really a defect. So that comes under not a defect. So total these are the 6 stages of bug life cycle, and these are optional ones. Optional ones in the sense once retest is failed, then it goes to reopen. And few defects stops at open stage itself. Stops in the sense might be different reasons, might be duplicate or might be rejected or might be deferred or might not be a bug. So this is overall about the defect life cycle. Okay, I hope you have taken out something from this class. Every class will make you a stronger tester. practice, stay curious, and do not hesitate to post your questions in the comments and suggest any additional topics you would like me to cover in the next sessions. I'm here to help you. See you in the next class. I have added the next session link on the screen at the end of this video. Continue your learning from there. Thank you.